Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the AND formula in Excel. AND formula is a logical formula and it checks whether all the arguments that you give it in the formula are met or not. So in case even if one of the argument is not met, then it will give a false. Let's try to understand this. Say for example, these are the names of people who work for us and these are their sales for Jan, Feb and March, and this should not be absent. This should be say 87. And they would be eligible for incentive only if their sales for each and every month were greater than 80. So I have already put in the AND formula over here, and this is showing a false because in this month the sale was less than 80, but in these 2 months the sale was greater than 80. So it's giving a false. It will give a true only and only if all the 3 months have a value which is greater than 80. See, now it is a true 81, 81, 85. So how do we apply this formula? Let me show you. So is equal to and, it says logic 1. So we type in a logic. This cell is greater than, you can type in say word 80. And if we only want it for one value, we can do it for one value. In case we want to do it for more than one value, then we put a comma and apply another and. Open the bracket. Choose this number. Again type in greater than 80. Close the bracket. Apply another and. Choose this cell. Write the formula. And then close the bracket. It's a false because this is less than 80, less than 80, less than 80. And now we can copy it across simply like this. Wherever it is true, it will show a true. Wherever it is a false, it will show a false. Isn't it amazing? It's a very, very good formula. We can use it with the if condition also, and it can give you then instead of a true or a false, it can write whatever you want it to write. You like, we can say if it is true, then it should say eligible or not eligible in case it's false. So this is how we use the AND formula in Excel. See you in the next video.